Battery supply problem to the electronic control module. This would normally be an engine cranks but won't run symptom. When you put the key in the ignition and you turn it to the on position, you should have a check engine light on the courtesy display of the dashboard. That confirms that the electronic control module underneath the dashboard on the passenger side is receiving power. If you don't have a check engine light, then you probably don't have any power to the electronic control module. And if you don't have any power to the electronic control module, then the car's just not going to start. It's not going to run. It also confirms that the 3 amp fuse inside the fuse panel, which is over on the passenger side door over there on the right side of the dashboard, it confirms that 3 amp fuse is in good shape. So that's a pretty good place to start if you're having trouble with the car. It cranks but it won't run. But if you look at the ignition switch power distribution center wiring diagram, when you turn the key to the run position, that activates this 3 amp fuse inside the fuse panel, which runs to the electronic control module. So that's telling you that your fuse is good, your wiring is all good, and your electronic control module is receiving power. And here's another look at it. The battery, the power source. This would be the ignition switch turned in the on position, completes this circuit, which is circuit 439, pin 16. Then you've got inside your electronic control module have a little ground. It grounds pin 20 will energize circuit 439, and it goes straight to the check engine light. And that is all that's wire and circuit does, is turn this light on and off. So again, if you have a check engine light when you start up, that is telling you a lot about your electronic control module. It's telling you that it's receiving power, and it's redistributing it, at least at circuit 419 pin 20. This gives you a good place to start. But there should always be a steady check engine light when the key is in the on position. But this a battery supply problem to the electronic control module would normally be an engine cranks but won't run symptom.